Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K. Chemistry. I welcome you all. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on business environment. This is part 7. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Which of the following modern business is dynamic? Here correct option is A. Mass production. Viewers, let me tell you, I would just be reading out only the correct options in each question, though they are highlighted, so that it acts as a redirect during your examination. Now question number 2. Which of the following is not an economic activity? So here correct option is D. A student playing cricket. Question number 3. A valid definition of a business purpose is to dash. Here correct option is A. Create a customer. 4. Dash environment is very significantly influenced by the World Trade Organization principles and agreements. So here correct option is B. Global. 5. Dash refers to the system of moral principles and rules of conduct applied to business. Here correct option is B. Business ethics. Question number 6. Competition is beneficial to the competing firms besides benefiting the correct option is D. Consumers. 7. What are the main concepts concerning about business goals or objectives? So here correct option is C. Mission objectives. 8. Mission is a statement which defines the role that dash plays in a society. So the correct option is B. Organization. 9. Does the targets will have much longer time span? So here correct option is B in case of organization. 10. Goals realization continuously will lead to dash A. Mission fulfillment, B. Maximize customers, C. High revenue, D. Maximize suppliers. So here correct option is A. Mission fulfillment. 11. Dash is the primary motive for a business enterprise. A. Profit, B. Maximize customers, C. Human objective, D. Maximize supply. So your correct option is A. Profit. 12. The following statement with respect to culture is false. So here correct option is D. Culture is determined by national boundaries. 13. Dash is the business through which new ideas and innovations are given a shape and are converted into useful products and services. So here correct option is C. Joy of creation. 14. Dash pollution can be minimized by using low sulfur coal in industries. The correct option is B. Air. 15. Liberalization means correct option is B. Liberating the industry, trade and economy from unwanted restrictions. Question number 16. What are the elements of business environment? So here in short correct option is D. STEEPLE factor. 17. Micro environment is also known as correct option is B. Indirect environment. 18. Which micro environment is also known as direct environment? So the correct option is A. Economic. 19. Micro environment consists of A. Political. Correct option is B. Political and legal. 20. The micro environment consists of here correct option is A. Economic and political. 21. What does micro environment consist of? So here correct option is C. Consumers and competitors. 22. The micro environment consists of here correct option is D. Public, middlemen, consumers and competitors. 23. Dash refers to all forces which have an economic impact. So here correct option is C. Economic environment. 24. What are the bodies which political environment consists of? So here correct option is D. Legislature, executive and judiciary. 25. Dash decides on a particular course of action. So here correct option is A. Legislature. 26. Dash is also called government which implements whatever is decided by the parliament. Correct option is B. Executive. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.